Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths with Harsh YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to factorize the quadratic expressions within 5 minutes. So, stay on this video. Quadratic expressions mean the expressions we can write as ax squared plus bx plus c. Both are quadratic expressions. In these expressions, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 6, c equal to plus 8, and this one a equal to 4, b equal 0, c equal minus 9. Before factorizing a quadratic expressions, first we have to find the multiple of 40. 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 4 into 10, 5 into 8. These are the multiples of 40. The coefficient of x equal to some more difference between these two factors. So in this case, 5 and 8 is the values. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. Now we can separate this coefficient of x into two parts like that. 5x plus 8x. X squared plus 40. Comparing these two, the x is the common term. Then x into x squared, x into 5, 5x. In these two, 8 is the common value for both x plus 5. In these two terms, x plus 5 is the common term. So, other one is x plus 8. These are the two factors of x squared plus 13x plus 40. There is a difference from this one. What is the difference? The coefficient of x is a minus value. This one also the same. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 8 equal to plus 40. Then minus 5 plus minus 8 equal to minus 13. Now we can separate this coefficient of x into minus 5x and minus 8x. X squared plus 40. The common term of these two is x. X minus 5. We can take minus 8 as the common terms for these two. Then plus x minus into minus 5. Minus 8 into minus 5 equal to plus 40. Then x minus 5, x minus 8. Okay, we separate the two factors. I get another two examples. In these two cases also, we have to find the multiple of 40. 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 4 into 10, 5 into 8. When adding these factors, we can't get the coefficient of x. So we want to get the difference between those two factors. So this is the one. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. The coefficient of x is minus 3x. So plus 5 plus minus 8. Then we can get minus 3. Now we can separate this coefficient into 5x, 8x. 8x is minus, 5x is plus. X squared minus 40. The common term between these two is x, x plus 5. The common term of these two is minus 8 plus x plus 5. Now we can factorize into x plus 5, x minus 8. In this example, the coefficient of x is plus 3. So we can separate this plus 3x into 5x, 8x. The remaining value is plus 3. So 8x is plus and 5x is minus. X squared minus 40. The common term of these two terms is x minus 5. The common term of these two is plus 8, x minus 5. Okay. Now we can separate into two factors as x minus 5, x plus 8. This is different from previous examples. In previous, we discussed the coefficient of x squared equal to 1 x squared. In this case, the coefficient of x squared equal to 3. In these type of examples, first we multiply this one and the last value, 3 into 15. Answer is 45. Now we can write the multiple of 45. 1 into 45, 3 into 15, 5 into 9. The sum of these factors equal to the coefficient of x. So in this case, 5 plus 9 equal to 14. Now we can separate 14x into 5x plus 9x plus 3x squared plus 15. The common value of these two terms is x. Then 3 into x into 3x, 3x squared, x into 5, 5x. The common term of these two terms is plus 3. 3 into 3, 9, x. 3 into 5. In these two terms, 3x plus 5 is the common term. 3x plus 5. Other one, x plus 3. These are the two factors. That's it for today's lesson. I think this was helpful for you. Make sure to practice more examples in home, so don't miss the next lesson. See you.